Welcome back to DollaDrip, the only place where we make your phone pay you, not the other way around. If you're a teen or young adult and want to make money online from your couch, your bed, or even in class, then this video is for you. I'm breaking down 7 real beginner-friendly ways to start earning online. No skills, no experience, and no BS. Let's go. And hey, if you like money, hit that like button. If you love money, smash subscribe. AI isn't just for nerds anymore. It's a digital gold mine. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI to create ebooks, art for Etsy, social media posts, or wallpapers you can sell on Gumroad or Instagram. No need to be a genius, just learn the prompt game and you're good. Want to see how to make your first AI product? Let me know in the comments. Think flipping is just for sneakers? Wrong. You can flip Notion templates, Instagram post packs, or resume templates you find for free, customize them on Canva, then resell. People are making $200 to $500 a month doing this casually. Try Etsy, Gumroad, or even Fiverr. Template flipping might sound boring until you see $20 come in while you sleep. No skills? No stress. Go on Fiverr or Upwork and start with no-skill gigs like backtetter conversion, typing handwritten notes, AI voiceovers using 11 labs. Get jobs, use free tools, deliver, repeat. Boom, you're a freelancer. Use ChatGPT or CapCut to speed up tasks. If you love gaming but suck at gaming like me, edit short gaming clips for streamers. Use CapCut or VN app. Offer clips for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Streamers are always looking for someone who can turn boring streams into viral clips. DM 10 streamers per day. Someone will reply. You don't need followers to earn as a UGC creator. Brands will pay you to make content using their products just for them to post. You film 30-second clips like reviews, unboxing, aesthetic shots. Sign up at Billo, Trend.io, or just cold email small brands. UGC creators are charging $50 to $300 per video right now. Micro tasks, small jobs, small pay, but easy money. Apps like Clickworker, Remote Tasks, and App and Pay You for greaging images, selling images, recordings, surveys, pasteword jobs. You won't get rich, but you can make $50 to $100 a week just tapping your screen. Use that time you spend on TikTok to earn, not just scroll. This one's underrated. Be the person who connects buyers and sellers. You get a client, outsource the job to someone cheaper, pocket the profit. Someone pays you $100 to make a logo, you pay a freelancer $30, deliver the result, and you keep $70. This is called service arbitrage, and it's 100% legal.
And hey, if you like money, hit that like button. If you love money, smash subscribe.
So there you go, 7 real, lazy but smart ways to make money online as a teen or beginner. You don't need fancy gear, rich parents, or even college. You just need your phone, the right mindset, and DollaDrip in your corner. Like this video if you learned something. Subscribe if you're ready to take action. Comment Miles if you made it till the end. Faber, new video drops every week. Turn on notifications. Stay smart, stay broke for now, get rich forever. Peace.